Raghav Chadda question zero tax on 12 lakh rupees income. Sitaraman response. AAP MP Raghav Chadda questioned the government over its latest income tax relief, saying the moment your annual income exceeds 12 lakh rupees, then you will have to pay tax on the entire income. Finance Minister Sitaraman responded, "Don't mislead the House. Are you ready, a CA? The marginal relief tax it further down. You don't have to pay any tax till 12.75 lakh. Punjab approves disbursal disbursal of 14,000 crore rupees areas of employees. The Punjab cabinet has approved disbursal of pending areas of government employees and pensioners worth 14,000 crore rupees. The Chief Minister office said that these areas comprise the salary, pension and leave encashment areas from January 1st, 2016 up to June 30, 2022. These dues also cover DRN's allowances and DRN's relief dues from 1st January 2021 to 31st March 2024. Mufin Green Finance revenue jumps 79% in third quarter final year 2025. Mufin Green Finance is an Indian financial solution provider. In third quarter final year 2025, net sales increased by 79% to 48.57 crore rupees, and net profit rose by 26% to 5.67 crore compared to third quarter final year 2024. For the 9 month of final year 25, net sales grew by 101% to 100 101% to 131.76 crore rupees, and net profit increased by 31% to 15.81 crore rupees compared to 9 month final year 24. Nazara Technology announces result of third quarter final year 2024 to 2025. Nazara Technology has reported a 53.6% drop in its consolidated net profit to 13.7 crore rupees for the third quarter of fiscal year 2024 to 2025. Third quarter final year 2025. Despite the profit decline, Nazara's revenue from operations jumped 66.8% year on year to 534.7 crore rupees, up from 320.4 crore rupees in the same quarter last year. Global Age Online Convenience Amrita Ahead Online MBA. Amrita Viswa Vidyapitham is offering online MBA designed for working professionals. Amrita Ahead online program is flexible and aims to empower you to enhance leadership and business skills to advance your career and help in getting a potential study opportunity in the US and Europe. Learn from top faculty, network with industry peers from 50 plus nation and achieve professional goals. Visually impaired farmer starts flower business, earn 6 lakh rupees. Rajesh Kumar from Haryana, born with a visual impairment, turned to marigold farming on his a small 55 into 198 square feet land. By 2018, he expanded to 4 canals growing roses, tuberose, and more. In 2024, he earned 6 lakh rupees and now plan to double his income by expanding into green chili and farming moringa farming through a strategy agricultural practices. BSNL ports first profit since 2007. BSNL has reported a profit of 262 crore rupees in third quarter, marking its first return to profitability since 2007. We expect revenue growth to improve further, exceeding 20% by the end of the financial year. BSNL said the company successfully reduced its finance cost and overall expenditure, leading to a decline in losses by over 1,800 crore rupees compared to last year. Deepak Nitrite third quarter profit drops 51%. Chemical manufacturer Deepak Nitrite Limited reported a 51% decline in third quarter financial 25 profit to 998 crore rupees, impacted by higher input cost, weak demand in agrochemical intermediates, and plant shutdowns. Revenue fell 5% year-of-year to 1,924 crore rupees, while EBITDA slumped 40% to 190 crore rupees due to margin contraction.